Hello and welcome to another video from Natasha Lee. And this week I've been away at an event with YouTube, so I wanted to show you the nails I did for this event. And I've got a few little secrets in there too. Stay tuned until after the tutorial for a behind the scenes vlog. You will have to excuse my voice however, because I am fighting a lurgy. As always, I'm going to begin by cleansing my nails with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Then I'm going in with a base coat, and you don't have to do this if your preferred brand doesn't require it. I'm not going to be using a peel-off base coat this week because I want these nails to last for my YouTube event. Then I'm going in with Drive Me Crazy from Gel 2, which is one of my absolute favourite reds ever. It's a gorgeous blue-toned red, which as a ginger suits me really well. On that first layer, I'm going in really carefully, as I always do, to try and get it nice and neat around the cuticle area, but if you do get any on the skin, just take a fine detailed clean-up brush and clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol. Tidy up any other areas before you pop in your lamp to cure. And I'm applying this colour to all 10 nails first. And I've just gone in with my second layer after curing that first layer. Again, if you do get any on the skin, just clean it up with that detail brush dipped in isopropyl alcohol or acetone. We don't want to be leaving any product on the skin at all, like you might have seen in my video the other week. Then I'm using this top secret glitter, which I'll be able to tell you about very soon, but it is beautiful and it's called Crimson Rose. It's a gorgeous deep red holographic, or holo as you may prefer to call it. I'm just popping some onto that sticky layer of the second cured layer of gel polish, and then brushing it over the whole nail and making sure it's lovely and flat. Take this opportunity to clean up around the cuticle area as well, so it makes your design look a lot sharper when you top coat. I do like to use a fan brush for this, and then as I always do over glitters or pigments, I'm going to go in with 2 layers of top coat. I do keep one top coat for going straight over the top of glitters because you can get some glitter in it. And then I have a second top coat I keep just for going over the top or over colours. Remember to apply and then cure in your lamp before applying your second layer. And don't forget to cap those ends. You'll see when you apply this second layer, not only does it help protect the nail, but it also makes it super shiny. Now on the ring finger, I'm doing something a little different, and I'm going to apply a top coat straight over that colour. I'm not applying glitter onto this finger, but I have to the other 9. Don't forget to cure it, and then I'm applying this deep grey and that strong gale from Magpie. Just taking a nice striping brush, I'm getting it nice and even and doing a line down the centre of the nail. It doesn't matter if you have to go over it a couple of times just to get it really sharp. Once you're happy with it, I'd recommend curing before the next layer. Then taking a fine detail brush, I'm going to draw like a half oval on each side, and you can do this in 2 parts if you like. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect. Until you cure it, you can fiddle around with this quite a bit. And as you can see at the top of this one, I didn't actually do a very good job, so I can go back in a moment and sort of tidy it up. Once you're happy with the look, you can go ahead and flash cure that if you like. Now I was trying to blend in that polish, but I decided to get rid of it after instead. But we're going to do a sort of lace effect around that circle. And all we're doing is these little sort of bumps around the outside, and again they don't have to be too perfect because it just gives this beautiful effect of like a setting on a necklace. Carry that round the whole of the design, right up to the very top. But I did decide to go back in and remove some of that excess sort of gel polish before I cured, and then I'm using a craft foil this week because it's a matte silver. But with craft foils they quite often have a residue on the back, which I like to remove with isopropyl alcohol first, and then we're going to pat this over the nail. We don't actually want this to be a full coverage. I'm trying to get that antiqued sort of look, so I just want it to stick in certain places. Because we've already top coated the red and I've removed the sticky layer, you shouldn't have to worry about it sticking to the red, but if any does, just wipe it off with a brush dipped in isopropyl alcohol. When you're happy, then go in with your top coat and apply over the whole nail, and don't forget to cap those ends before you pop it in your lamp to cure. Then I'm taking some more of the glitter and a little bit of Magpie Give Me Strength and applying it onto the glitter, then mixing up with a dotting tool. What we're doing here is we're creating a gem on the nail, sometimes called a cabochon. And we're just going to apply that inside that sort of oval that we've created. Dab it round, but don't worry if you go over, you can always clean it up before you cure it. When you've done that first layer, I recommend curing it, and then I'm going to apply a tiny bit of red foil to add a bit more depth to my gem before I go in with another layer of the glitter and gel. And I'm going to apply this over, and I do like to keep curing to make sure that all the layers are fully cured in between. Then for the final bit before we top coat, I've added a bit more of that to give me strength to the glitter, and I'm building up that shape into that beautiful dome effect. Clean up before your final cure and you're ready to top coat. I like to use a fine detail brush to apply my top coat over the gem, and you can see this is where it starts to really pop and it magnifies it. You may have seen me do a similar look on my Halloween nails last year when I produced the spider nails, and also it reminds me of when we did those candy ball nails with gel. Once you're happy you've applied it everywhere and it's nice and neat, pop it in your lamp to cure. Once it's cured, using 99% isopropyl alcohol, remove that sticky layer. I like to be really thorough because we've got a few bumps down the side there before we apply our cuticle oil, and this is my homemade one. And the look is finished. How easy and quick is that? I knew I had to have these red nails. I am in love with this glitter. It's probably one of my favourites ever. I actually wore it for the Scratch Awards, so it feels like a good luck glitter for me. Let me know what other colours you'd like to see this in. I think it would look amazing in a really vivid blue. And as you can see when I move the hands, you can really start to see the sparkle, but it's only under certain lights that you can see it's actually holographic. And now it's time for the behind the scenes vlog. I haven't done this in such a long time and I'm running late and I need to book a taxi, but I asked you guys, did you want to have a one-off vlog? Because I haven't done them for so long and I'm so out of practice. I'm in Cardiff for an event with another 5 YouTubers and I couldn't talk about it until today. But I just want to show you my room because I am going to have to get my taxi and head on over to the Norwegian church. How nice is this room? But wait, the piece de resistance is my balcony and my view of Cardiff Bay and my very sparkly nails. Look. I need to get a brandy out here later and just take a chair outside or something and sit and enjoy it. But I am going to head off now. I'm going to book my taxi and I'm going to head on off. Head on off? Yeah. Oh, I should show you what I'm wearing. Oh, this doesn't look so good. Hang on. It's like it looks very light blue. It's like a navy blue full skirt thingy. So I will catch you very soon.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
We're here!
Today I am really excited.
Hey, what is going on guys? My name is Chaotic.
Namaskar. That's my Hindi.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Carl.
Behind me is this awesome view. This is Cardiff Bay, if anyone's wondering. Really cool to wake up every morning and have that view, and so motivational.
I'm sorry if you can hear rain tapping on the roof. Such a horrible day in London today. I need to get back to Wales.
Congratulations on passing 1 million subscribers.
The golden play button.
Boom! And cheers.
This is Simon.
Hello Tasha, how you doing? I'm the beer reviewer on YouTube. Look at this beer, lovely, creamy, dense, black beer.
It is really nice.
Creamy,
It's actually
quick
really
tea.
nice.
Brewed in Wales, chocolate, coffee, caramel flavours, made of Welsh cakes.
What is it? I'm tasting one. Drinking it
Not this angle.
Right, there you go.
Yes.
There you go. Simon working his magic.
Hasn't come earlier. What we had there was a traditional Welsh folk song. And many years ago somebody heard that folk song, liked it, took the Welsh words away, put the English words in, and that's how the Christmas carol was born. So the next time you hear that Christmas carol, you can impress your friends by telling them it's not really a Christmas carol, it's a traditional Welsh folk song. Alicia, come here, Alicia. Where are you from?
London.
Alicia's from London. And Alicia has just given me the correct answer. Which proves to me what Alicia's been doing before coming here this evening. Will you behave over there, please? Alicia has been Googling Welsh history to find out exactly what Owain Glyndwr's favourite dish was.
How did you know?
Now, in a very, very loud voice, tell everybody what his dish was.
Chicken.
Marvellous! Give her a round of applause. Wonderful stuff. By the look of it.
Well, they toil, Cathwen and Flavia. Days, my friend, days of never end. We sing and dance forever and a day.
It's cold.
Freezing. It's cold.
But there's Welsh flags because Wales won. Woo! Oggy, oggy, oggy.
Oi, oi, oi!
Yeah.